Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to use and how to enable the blind spot assist, and let me answer the questions why you should use it. So basically, this monitors the areas you can see. So if a car is in your blind spot, a red triangle appears on your side mirror. If you try to change lines while someone is there, the car will give you the audible warning. So it's amazing safety feature that keeps you safe on the road. So let me show you how to enable this. All we need to do is use the home screen. Here you've got the full menu of your car. Let's swipe a few times to the last page and you will see settings. So the settings are with the car icon. In this example is GLB car. Let's tap it and then let's choose here the collision avoidance. Here you can use a few taps, but let's choose assistance, and there you've got collision avoidance, the second option from the following tab. And here you've got a few collision features that you can use. Basically, I recommend to enable all of them, but as you can see, I've got my blind spot assist disabled. To enable it, let's use this switcher. The following view, the following animation should pop up. You can also here tap the eye information to read the instructions and information about the blind spot assist. The function monitors the areas alongside and behind the vehicle and warns you of a vehicle already there or those approaching. So let me keep this feature enabled to keep me safe. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.